The new version of MedDream DICOM Viewer supports WebDICOM WADO. Now there is a possibility to connect with any packs that supports WADO integration. Also, this release had security-related improvements were implemented, CSFR token, modern and safe frameworks. Watch this video tutorial for quick demonstrations of the most important new features. First new feature to be demonstrated is CT-MRI faces as separate series. Open CT study for viewing and press preload study icon to load the series. Drag and drop instances for viewing. Phases appear after preloading the study. Drag and drop phases to the viewports for viewing. Choose link scrolled series function. You can scroll forward or backward through phases images synchronically. In the right lower corner there are a number of phases instances per series shown. Thumbnail bar. Possibility to use it from quick menu. Simply change the position of thumbnails bar. Press thumbnails icon on the toolbar and choose quick menu option. Then, click the right mouse button on the opened image to open thumbnails bar. Left click on the instance's thumbnail to open it for viewing. Link scrolled series. Fast synchronized scrolling if preloaded. Press preload studies icon to load the study. After the preloading is finished, drag and drop instances for viewing. Press link scrolled series. Now you can scroll forward and backward through series synchronically. Export functionality was updated. Possibility to export big files. Choose toolbar, press export and then export button again. Now the study files is being exported. Press download. Wait until zip file will be fully downloaded. New shortcuts for hanging protocols. Alt+V for applying next hanging protocol and Alt+C for applying previous one. Open mammogram study with set hanging protocols. Protocol was applied automatically. Press Alt+V to apply next hanging protocol. Next hanging protocol was applied. Press Alt+C to apply previous one. Previous hanging protocol was applied. You can try newversion's MedDream online demo with the newest features or download the zip package on softneta.com website.